passion for life. Education is the life itself. From this thought, I, Avisha Rangwani of Standard 8C, is going to conduct today's digital assembly. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. From this thought, I would like to call my classmates for the prayer song.
In His time, He makes all things beautiful. In His time, Lord, please show me every day as You're teaching me a way that You do just what You say in Your time. In Your time, in Your time, You make all things beautiful. In Your time, Lord, my life to You I bring, whether it's winter and it's spring. May I feathers everything in Your time. There's a time, both for sowing and for reaping. There's a time for losing, time for gain, time for joy, time for pain. Every purpose under heaven has a time.
Walk with God always reach their destination. From this thought, I would like to invite Father Principal for the prayer.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise You. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
I would like to call my classmates for the school anthem.
Scenes of a child youth, scenes of a youth, scenes of a child youth, scenes of a youth. The school we love and cherish here. The school we love and cherish here. Preparing love's small lights of faith. Preparing love's small lights of faith. St. Xavier's forever leadership. St. Xavier's forever leadership. God bless our dear old school. God bless our dear old school. Our principal, father, teachers. Our principal, father, teachers. Our payment students. All other friends, our payment students. All other friends who will write our names in mark. Who will write our names in mark. St. Xavier's our ever meet your friend. St. Xavier's our ever meet your friend. God bless you is a daily prayer. God bless you is a daily prayer.
Be active, be happy. From this thought, I would like to call my classmate Aditi Thakkar to speak a few words on the topic health.
A warm good morning to respective Father Principal, teacher and all my Xavierites. My name is Aditi Thakkar. I study in class 8C. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of health. Health is the most important aspect of our life. Nothing is more than health. When we are healthy, we can smile, laugh, enjoy food, joke around and sleep well. Otherwise, life looks like hell. Our elders have said that health is wealth. We need to maintain hygiene, sanitation at home, classroom and nearby surroundings. We must eat healthy and complete diet with sufficient amounts of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals and vitamins. Fitness makes us stay active and confident. Physical and mental fitness are important to be successful and contribute to the society. We need to feed our brain with good thoughts, positive vibes, and peaceful things that help us in maintaining a healthy mind. The people should try to balance his life according to his schedule. If he manages to do that, it will then help him to keep himself healthy. It is health that is real wealth, not piece of gold and silver. Thank you.
Aditi for your wonderful speech. Be the part of the solution, not the part of the pollution. From this thought, I would like to call my classmate Soumya Ahir to speak a few words on the topic environment.
Good morning, Father, Principal, teachers, and all dear my friends. Today I am going to present a speech on environment. Environment consists of all living beings as well as their surrounding. A healthy life is one that is sustainable for a long period of time. It is the source of life for everyone and directs the life of everyone and determines the proper growth and development. The good or bad quality of our life is depend on the quality of our environment. Our needs, foods, water, shelter, and other things depend on the environment around us. There must be a balanced, natural cycle that exists between environment and the lives of human beings, plants, and animals. The human society playing a virtual role in degradation the natural environment, which affecting bleeding the lives on this planet. All human action in this modern world directly impact our ecosystem. Many actions of us have brought big chances to this world, resulting in environmental problems. Thank you.
Soumya for your speech. Slow the spread of COVID-19. Stay home if you can. From this wonderful thought, I would like to call Prisha Baldania to speak a few words on the topic COVID-19.
Morning to one and all present here. Myself, Krisha Baldania, I am studying in 8th C, standing before you today on the topic coronavirus. Coronavirus is an infection. It is caused by socializing. Its spread ratio is very fast. It has killed thousands of people in the world. Its common signs are cough, flu, and fever. It was first discovered in China. It primarily affects our nervous system and damages it. It can spread through contact with any affected person. Any certified treatment caused diseases by coronavirus has not been discovered yet. We should wash our hands properly with warm water regularly and follow social distancing. Be safe from coronavirus infection. Be smart, inform yourself about it. Be kind, support one another. Stay safe, keep your mask on your face, wash your hands properly. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
For your wonderful speech. Now I would like to call Himani Sharma to say the thought of the day.
A very warm and cheerful morning to one and all present here. Myself, Himani Manoj Sharma from Standard 8C. Thoughts have the ability to change one's mind. With this, I would like to share a very beautiful thought. Let's go for what's gone. Be grateful for what remains and look forward to what's coming. I would like to repeat my thought. Let's go for what's gone. Be grateful for what remains and look forward to what's coming. Thank you and have a nice day.
Is the pledge of truth to oneself and others. From this thought, I would like to call my class teacher, Minnie Robin ma'am, to speak the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity.
When I sing the anthem, it's an honor and my heart beats out of my chest. From this thought, please get ready for the national anthem.